All right, so I have the Philips Norelco Nose Trimmer 1000. I'm going to be unboxing this and showing you what it looks like. It has a protective guard system as well as a fully washable. This device is fully washable. It also has an eyebrow comb, and it also comes with a AA battery inside. And so the AA battery that is inside is so you don't have to go out and get an extra battery for the device. You can just get the device and get to working with it. Now it has ultimate comfort, no pulling, guaranteed. That's what they say for the nose, ears, and brows. All right, so I'm gonna open this up, slide this out. So I slid it out. It came disassembled, but I'm gonna put it together and show you how it goes together. So in here, you have the nose trimmer, nose, ear, hair, and brow trimmer. Pull it out. It has a device right here. It shows you to wash this. You twist this to wash it. I'll show you how to do that. So just twist this. This pops off, and you're able to get that. And so when you wash it, you just take this off right here, like how I have it right here, and you're able to wash it. But I'm going to put it back on because it's new. And I'm going to put the battery in first. So I twist it all the way to the side. You see that? So there's an arrow that lines up. This is the off position. The line is on position. Getting closer so you can see that. So the line is the on position. That is the off position. And lined up with the triangle is how you take the cap off. So you pull it off like that. And then you get the battery. And then with the nipple side up, slide that nipple in. Make sure it's down flush. Put it right here. Line it up with the triangle. And then put it with the circle, and that's indicated that it's off. Turn it on with the battery on to see if it works. I did not put it in properly because I have it lined up with the one. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take this off. We're going to take the nipple side, and we're going to have it facing downwards. So I'm going to take the flat side, slide it in, nipple side down. Then I'm going to try it 0, O, circle. Now I'm going to turn it on. Now it's vibrating. So now we have it vibrating. We also have the eyebrow comb. Just simply take this, slide it back like that, or put it on front like this. Slides on flush, you see that? Curvature side like right here. Slide it, snap it in place. There's also, go over the brush in a second, but go ahead and turn it on. Maybe we'll trim the eyebrows for those of you who have mustaches as eyebrows. Turn it off. And I can go ahead and take it off and rinse that, and then take this off right here. And I could rinse and wash that. And when I have the brush right here, say for instance I have some nose hairs that are caught up here, I just take the brush, wipe it like that, wipe it like that. And that is the Philips Norelco Ultimate Comfort Nose, Ears, and Brows Trimmer. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.